welcome back. A few days ago, we went to SanthiSagar boating. I learned how to swim. My dad helped me how to learn to swim. We are swimming. It was so cool, guys. And the water was very cold. And there was a life jacket. See, I am wearing a life jacket. It's so cool and so cold. On a hot day, if you went in the pool, it will be nice. We are hop on holding there. See, my sister, me and my dad are holding to a rope. See? Wow, guys, we are moving. So much fun. It was so much fun, guys. See, there was a red ball, guys. See that red ball. Bye, guys. So it was so much fun. We had lot of fun. See, me and my dad are swimming. We are going to touch the red ball. We are trying to touch it. See, it was so much fun. I loved it. So this is so good. You have to go to SanthiSagar. See, I'm swimming alone without my dad or sister. See, I'm holding there. See, I'm trying to swim by myself, but I didn't know how to swim. So my dad helped me. So I swim. It is so fun, guys. You have to try it. Go to SanthiSagar. It is so much fun. You will love it, guys. See, okay. See, I'm swimming. Okay, I'm learning to swim now. See, guys. Wow. See, guys, I'm trying to go to my daddy. My daddy is right there. I'm trying to go there to my daddy. So it is so much fun, guys. See, they're swimming. I'm swimming alone. Look, there's so many waves coming. Small waves. Okay. Wow. See, my dad is also coming to me, and I'm also going. I'm going slowly. My dad is coming fastly. And I was about to fall, so my daddy caught me. See? So I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.